Long before Silver Dollar City, there was a cave. In the 1880s, a new story began here. William Lynch and his two daughters, Miriam and Genevieve, purchased the property in hopes of attracting visitors. The Lynch family soon met an artist and self-taught cave explorer who would go on to discover the hidden world of Marvel Cave. His name was Fred Prince. Fred Prince was a curious young man with an adventurous heart. His eloquent writing spoke to the beauty and majesty of his new Missouri home. It was a keen eye for science that guided Prince through the depths of this cave. He presented the Lynch family with his findings, including a map that would guide future explorers. But there was one missing piece of the puzzle: the Mystic River Passage. Where did it lead? That would remain unknown. A hidden gateway left undiscovered. An intriguing tale that would fascinate visitors for years. But as legend has it, there was one truly brave enough to solve the mystery. Her name was Pearl.
These Ozark Hills are my home. The rolling path before me, the shimmering waters beneath me, and the many caverns yet to be explored. It is from these maps, the work of those who came before me, that I am forging a new path. Deep within these shadows, I am limited only by my imagination. And it is with that spirit that I discovered a new world. Beyond the Mystic River Passage is a place that will exceed your wildest dreams. A daring expedition that will reach to new heights. The greatest adventures lie ahead. Welcome to Mystic River Falls.
Coming to Silver Dollar City in 2020, Mystic River Falls, the tallest drop on a raft ride in the Western Hemisphere. Get ready to embark on a family-friendly river rafting expedition. Explorers will ascend over 8 stories onto an elevated river channel before plummeting down a 4.5-story waterfall. It's the wettest splashdown in our 60-year history. The greatest adventures lie ahead. Mystic River Falls, the tallest drop on a raft ride in the Western Hemisphere, rushing your way. Summer 2020. Only at Silver Dollar City.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.